You can expect a lot from the 2021 Kia Sportage. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, a tachometer, a trip computer, power front seats, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.